guys, today we're taking a look at the Dyson V15s Detect Submarine, Dyson's first vacuum mop combo. It's a high-end product, but is it worth the price? Let's find out. Powerful vacuuming and wet mopping. The Dyson V15s Detect Submarine has two main cleaning modes, vacuuming and wet mopping. For vacuuming, it uses a new Fluffy Optic cleaner head that reveals 2x more hidden dust on hard floors. This is thanks to a green laser mounted on the side of the head that illuminates dust particles that are invisible to the naked eye. For wet mopping, the Dyson V15s Detect Submarine uses a motorized wet roller that picks up liquids, debris, and tough stains, and continuously extracts them from the roller with each rotation. This results in a sparkling clean floor with minimal effort. Advanced Dyson vacuum technology. The Dyson V15s Detect Submarine also features advanced Dyson vacuum technology, including a Digital Motorbar cleaner head that deep cleans all floor types and detangles hair. The Digital Motorbar spins at up to 125,000 RPM, generating powerful suction that can remove even the toughest dirt and debris. Intelligent suction adaptation. While dry vacuuming, the Dyson V15s Detect intelligently adapts suction based on debris and floor type detected. This ensures that you always have the right amount of suction for the job, without having to switch power modes manually. LCD screen shows total picked up particles. The Dyson V15s Detect also has a built-in LCD screen that shows total picked up particles as you clean. This is a great way to see how much dirt and debris you're actually removing from your home. Converts to a handheld vacuum. The Dyson V15s Detect Submarine also converts to a handheld vacuum for cleaning up high, down low, and everywhere in between. It comes with 8 Dyson-engineered accessories, including the innovative hair screw tool, which picks up long hair and pet hair from surfaces without tangles. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Dyson V15s Detect Submarine. Pros: powerful vacuuming and wet mopping in one machine. Advanced Dyson vacuum technology. Fluffy Optic cleaner head reveals 2x more hidden dust. Digital Motorbar cleaner head deep cleans all floor types. Submarine cleaner head washes hard floors and removes debris simultaneously. Intelligent suction adaptation. LCD screen shows total picked up particles. Converts to a handheld vacuum. 10 Dyson engineered accessories. Advanced whole machine filtration. Durable and lightweight design. 2-year warranty and lifetime Dyson support. Cons: expensive. Submarine cleaner head can be slow to dry. Some users have reported difficulty emptying the water tank. The Dyson V15s Detect Submarine is a powerful and versatile vacuum cleaner that offers a truly all-in-one cleaning solution. It's perfect for busy homeowners who want a vacuum cleaner that can do it all.